Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going on a trip to Jamaica, but not the kind where you pack a suitcase and slather on sunscreen. Well, you can do that too if you want, but this is a virtual trip for your mind to discover some shocking facts about this beautiful island. Get ready to have your minds blown, because we're diving deep into 10 things about Jamaica that might just make you shout, "No way, Mon," from the rooftops. We're talking record-breaking numbers, inspiring stories, and a whole lot of fun. So buckle up, grab a plate of jerk chicken, totally optional, but I highly recommend it, and get ready to learn about the land of reggae, sunshine, and surprises galore. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single second. Let's get this Jamaican party started. First up, let's talk about something near and dear to many people's hearts: churches. Jamaica has more churches per square mile than any other country in the world. More churches than beaches, more churches than reggae bars. Well, maybe not more reggae bars, but it's close. Imagine strolling down the street and bumping into a church every 5 steps. You wouldn't even need an alarm clock. The church bells would wake you up. This shows how important faith and spirituality are to the Jamaican people. So next time you're in Jamaica, appreciate the beautiful architecture and deep-rooted faith. This abundance of churches is a testament to Jamaica's long and complex history. For centuries, the island was a melting pot of cultures and religions, from the indigenous Taino people to European colonizers and African slaves. These influences blended to create the vibrant religious landscape we see today. Churches have always been centers of community, education, and social activism. They continue to play a vital role in shaping the lives of many Jamaicans. All right, let's talk about something that'll really get you moving: music. Specifically reggae music, that infectious beat, those soulful lyrics, the kind of music that makes you want to sway your hips even if you have 2 left feet. Well, guess what? Jamaica is the birthplace of reggae. That's right, this little island nation gave the world a musical genre that's loved and celebrated across the globe. And you know what that means? Jamaica, you're officially invited to my next dance party. Reggae is more than just music in Jamaica, it's a way of life. It's about peace, love, unity, and standing up for what you believe in. It's about expressing yourself through music and letting the rhythm take control. So crank up the Bob Marley, put on your dancing shoes, and let's celebrate the music that brings people together from all walks of life. Speaking of Bob Marley, let's appreciate the legend himself. This man wasn't just a musician. He was an icon, a poet, a revolutionary, and a global ambassador for peace and love. Bob Marley took reggae music to the world, spreading unity, social justice, and good vibes wherever he went. From One Love to Redemption Song, his music transcends borders and generations, reminding us of the power of music to heal, inspire, and bring people together. Get ready to have your mind blown. Did you know Usain Bolt, the fastest man on the planet, is from Jamaica? He makes cheetahs look slow. This guy is a legend. He holds world records for the 100m and 200m sprints, practically supersonic, and he makes it look so effortless, like he's on a casual jog while we catch our breath watching him. But seriously, folks, Usain Bolt is more than just a fast runner. He's an inspiration. He's shown the world what's possible with hard work, dedication, and maybe a little bit of magic in those running shoes. I mean, this is a guy who came from humble beginnings in Jamaica and went on to achieve global superstardom. He's a role model for young athletes everywhere, proving that with enough determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. And let's not forget the sheer joy he brings to running. That megawatt smile when he crosses the finish line, it's infectious. He's not just winning races, he's winning hearts, and that's something truly special. Usain, you've made Jamaica proud, you've made the world proud, and you've definitely made this talk show host very, very impressed. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go work on my sprinting skills, or maybe I'll just stick to dancing. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into some history. Did you know that Jamaica was a trailblazer in the Caribbean? That's right, they were the very first nation in the region to declare their independence. Can you imagine the courage that took to stand up and say, "We're doing things our way"? Talk about inspiring. On August 6, 1962, Jamaica broke free from British rule and embarked on a journey to write its own story. And let me tell you, that story is filled with vibrant culture, incredible music, and a whole lot of heart. Jamaica showed the world what it means to be resilient, to embrace your heritage, and to never, ever give up on your dreams. I'm getting emotional just thinking about it. Someone hand me a tissue, and maybe a Jamaican patty while you're at it. But Jamaica's fight for independence wasn't just about breaking free, it was about building a better future, creating a nation where everyone could thrive and contribute to a brighter tomorrow. And they did it. Jamaica has overcome many obstacles and emerged as a beacon of hope. From its world-renowned music and athletes, Jamaica has made its mark on the world stage. The warmth, the kindness, the infectious laughter. Jamaica, you are a shining example of strength and joy. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to book a flight to Montego Bay. Okay, coffee lovers, this one's for you. Are you ready for a cup of coffee so exquisite, so smooth, so downright delicious, it'll make you want to dance the tango? Well, get ready to meet your new best friend, Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee. This, my friends, is not your average cup of joe. This is the Rolls-Royce of coffee, grown on the slopes of Jamaica's majestic Blue Mountains. We're talking high altitude, misty mornings, and a whole lot of TLC. These coffee beans are so pampered, they probably have their own personal masseuses. And the result? A flavor that's rich, aromatic, and smoother than a baby panda's bottom. Seriously, it's so smooth, you could probably sip it with a spoon. But trust me, you'll want to savor every single drop. Now I know what you're thinking. Ellen, this coffee sounds amazing, but is it really that special? Oh honey, believe me, it is. It's the kind of coffee that makes you want to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and say, "Ah, that's the good stuff." The next time you're craving a cup of coffee that will transport you to a tropical paradise, reach for a bag of Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. Your taste buds will thank you. Okay, picture this. Jamaica. Sunshine, beaches, reggae music. You got it? Good. Now picture this, bobsledding. Yeah, bobsledding. You know that crazy sport where you zoom down an icy track at 1,000,000 miles an hour? Well, believe it or not, Jamaica has a bobsled team, and they're not just messing around. They actually competed in the Winter Olympics. Can you imagine these guys, used to the Caribbean heat, suddenly bundled up in snowsuits? Talk about a change of scenery. The story of the Jamaican bobsled team is truly inspiring. They came from humble beginnings with very little experience in winter sports. But they had heart, they had determination, and they had each other. They proved to the world that no matter where you come from, no matter what obstacles you face, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Now, who's ready for a tropical smoothie? You might be thinking, wait a minute, a Jamaican bobsled team? Is this some kind of joke? And you know what? I don't blame you. It sounds like something straight out of a movie. Speaking of movies, their story actually inspired the classic Disney film Cool Runnings. You know, the one with John Candy? Such a great movie. I highly recommend watching it if you haven't already. It's funny, it's heartwarming, and it'll definitely make you want to root for the underdog. But here's the thing, the Jamaican bobsled team's story is so much more than just a movie. It's a testament to the power of human spirit, the importance of following your dreams, and the unexpected places you can find inspiration. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good underdog story? It's like a warm hug on a cold winter's day, or in this case, a cool breeze on a hot summer's day. Okay, get ready for this one, because it's a real head scratcher. Jamaica is known for having more multiple births, like twins, triplets, you name it, than anywhere else in the world. Can you believe that? It's like a twin factory over there. Now, scientists are still trying to figure out exactly why this is the case. Some say it's genetic, some say it's something in the water, and some say it's just good old-fashioned luck. Whatever the reason, it's pretty amazing, right? Imagine being a parent in Jamaica. You never know if you're going to have one baby, two babies, maybe even 3 or 4. Talk about a full house. But hey, more babies mean more love, right? And double the giggles, double the cuddles, and double the diapers. Okay, maybe not double the diapers. That sounds like a lot of laundry. Now, here's the interesting thing about twins in Jamaica. It's not just a scientific phenomenon, it's actually deeply ingrained in their culture. See, in Jamaican folklore, twins are seen as a sign of good luck and prosperity. They're celebrated with special traditions and ceremonies. And there's even a whole festival dedicated to twins. Can you imagine that? A whole festival just for twins? I wonder if they have a twin talent show or a twin look-alike contest. That would be amazing. But seriously, it's wonderful to see a culture that embraces and celebrates the uniqueness of multiple births. It's a reminder that family comes in all shapes and sizes and that love multiplies when you share it. And who knows, maybe if you spend enough time in Jamaica, you'll increase your chances of having twins too. Just kidding, or am I? Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the magical world of butterflies. And not just any butterflies, mind you. We're talking about the giant swallowtail, the second largest butterfly in the world, and it calls Jamaica home. Can you imagine seeing this magnificent creature fluttering through the air? It's like something out of a fairy tale. With its striking black and yellow wings, it's a sight that will take your breath away. You can find these gentle giants gracefully gliding through the lush rainforests of Jamaica. They love to soak up the sunshine and sip nectar from the colorful tropical flowers. Talk about a life of leisure, but don't let their size fool you. They're surprisingly delicate and graceful creatures, flitting from flower to flower with effortless ease. They're like tiny ambassadors of beauty, spreading joy wherever they go. But Jamaica's natural wonders don't stop there. This island is bursting with fascinating flora and fauna. Jamaica has a rich tradition of herbal medicine. For centuries, plants and herbs have healed ailments. It's like a natural medicine cabinet in your backyard. Ginger aids digestion and nausea. Aloe vera soothes burns and skin irritations. Cerasee treats colds, flu, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Nature provides everything we need to stay healthy. It's inspiring how Jamaica preserves these traditions. Okay, so we're talking about Jamaica, right? Land of sunshine, reggae, and herbal medicine? You bet! This island is like one giant lush pharmacy. Seriously, for centuries, Jamaicans have been using plants and herbs for healing. It's like their own version of WebMD, but instead of scrolling through articles, they're strolling through the garden. Now, I'm not saying ditch your doctor and book a one-way ticket to Jamaica, though it does sound nice, doesn't it? But the point is, this traditional knowledge is pretty amazing. They've got a remedy for everything, from a simple cold to, well, maybe not, but you get the idea. They say laughter is the best medicine, but in Jamaica, it might be a close tie. One of the most popular herbs is cerasee. It's a vine with these little bitter fruits, great for diabetes and high blood pressure. Then there's ginger, great for upset stomachs and makes a mean tea. And of course, aloe vera. Sunburn? Aloe. Cut yourself? Aloe. So next time you're feeling under the weather, maybe skip the pharmacy and head to the garden. All right, folks, buckle up because we're about to talk about rum. And not just any rum, Jamaican rum. We all know Jamaica is famous for its beautiful beaches, its laid-back vibe, and of course, its rum. But did you know that Jamaica has one of the highest numbers of rum bars per capita in the world? Now, I'm not condoning excessive drinking or anything. Well, maybe just a little. But you have to admit, that's impressive. It's like there's a rum bar on every corner. And who are we to argue with tradition when in Jamaica, right? But it's not just about the quantity, people. It's about the quality. Jamaican rum is world-renowned for its smooth, rich flavor. It's made from sugarcane, sunshine, and a whole lot of island magic. Trust me, there's nothing quite like it. Now, I'm not saying that rum is the answer to all of life's problems, but it can certainly make those problems seem a lot smaller. I mean, picture this. You're sitting on a beach in Jamaica, the sun is setting, the waves are crashing, and you've got a delicious rum punch in your hand. Life's good, right? And let's not forget about the social aspect of rum in Jamaica. It's not just a drink, it's a way of life. It brings people together, gets the conversation flowing, and just makes everything a little bit more fun. I mean, have you ever met someone who was grumpy while sipping on a rum cocktail? I didn't think so, so next time you're feeling stressed or you just need a little pick-me-up, why not pour yourself a little taste of Jamaica? Just remember to drink responsibly, folks. Or, you know, as responsibly as one can be when they're drinking rum. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 shocking facts about Jamaica that probably made you say, "No way" or "Get out of here." From the fastest man on earth to more churches than you can shake a stick at, Jamaica is one fascinating and fun-loving island. But the best way to experience Jamaica? Go see for yourself. Book that trip, soak up the sun, sip on some rum punch, responsibly of course, and discover all the amazing things this island has to offer. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Until next time, stay cool, mun.